If you are a parent of a teenager aged 14 to 20, what you hear next might be the most important message for your child's future. Do you know that according to the National Crime Records Bureau, 41% of all suicides in India are committed by young people below the age of 30? A shocking fact, 3 out of every 10 crimes in India are committed by teenagers. What is driving our youth towards violence and irresponsible behavior? Let me ask you some important questions. Do you worry that your child might struggle with stress, anxiety, or depression due to academic pressure and an uncertain future in today's competitive world? Do you think choosing the right career has become even more challenging due to the massive disruptions in the job market caused by artificial intelligence, AI, and automation? Is your child emotionally and mentally strong enough to face real-life challenges independently? Here's another harsh reality. The Indian government informed the Supreme Court that over 1.5 crore children aged 13 to 17 are addicted to substances like drugs and alcohol. Is your child under pressure to fit in with friends, leading them towards dangerous experiments with smoking, alcohol, or drugs? Are you confident that your child is in the right friend circle and safe from negative influences? According to India Today, a shocking 28.9% of children in India experience some form of sexual crime. Have you ever considered that your child could become a victim of sexual, mental, or financial abuse through deceptive relationships on social media? Does your child know the meaning of relationship and what is the right age and time to start relationship? Does your child have received sexual education from right sources? Is your child responsible and emotionally mature to understand limits, right and wrong intentions in any relationship? Do you agree that excessive use of smartphones, gaming, gambling, pornography and social media addiction leads to detachment from real world? These questions may sound harsh, but the intention is not to scare you. The reality is, your child may face these very challenges in the real world. The real question is, have you taken the time to prepare and educate your child to handle them? Is your child ready for the real world? Don't worry, we have a one-stop solution to address all these challenges. We are conducting a 5-day life-changing workshop, Yuva, the Changemakers, specifically designed for teenagers aged 14 and above. At Sanskriti Educare, we believe that early guidance, the right knowledge, and emotional education can empower teenagers to make wise decisions in life. This program will help your child to special parenting session, equip parents with effective communication skills, emotional support techniques, and practical tools to guide their teenagers through challenges. Enhance self-awareness to understand personal strengths, weaknesses, emotions, and behaviors, helping your child make better life choices and build meaningful relationships. Develop clarity about relationships, understanding the right age, emotional maturity, and responsibilities involved. Recognize healthy and toxic relationships, be it friendships, relationship or social media connections. Proper sex education to stay safe from sexual exploitation, abuse, and misleading information. Effectively manage stress, anxiety, and academic pressure through emotional awareness and practical coping strategies. Build mental resilience and emotional strength to face real-life challenges and stay away from harmful influences. Break free from the virtual world of social media and reconnect with real-life goals, relationships, and meaningful experiences. Career guidance. Empower your child to select a career that aligns with their interests and abilities, rather than settling for available options. Expert coaches conducting the program, Mr. Tejas Kolekar, personal coach, counselor and educator, empowering youth to achieve their dreams for over a decade. Dr. Anita Umadi, MBBS, DGO, consulting gynecologist. Expert in adolescent health and wellness. Dr. Rupa Ganeshwadi, MBBS, DGO, laparoscopic surgeon. Expert in psychological and emotional development of teenagers. Workshop dates, 24 to the 28th of September 2025. Location, Belgaum. For registration and details, contact Mr. Tejas Kolekar, personal coach, counselor and educator, mobile 9916835550, Help Desk 6360084286. Remember, it is easier to build up a child than to repair an adult. Give your child the gift of awareness, emotional strength and future clarity. Register now and secure your child's future.